Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have been in the trading game for a while, you know the drill. You've spent countless hours staring at charts, analyzing patterns until your eyes cross, and maybe, just maybe, you've thrown a thing or two at your monitor in frustration. We've all been there. But what if I told you that the landscape is shifting and it's shifting fast? The rise of artificial intelligence in stock trading isn't just some futuristic sci-fi concept anymore. It's here, and it's fundamentally changing how we approach the markets. These AI platforms are the new kids on the block, and they're not just making waves, they're creating a tsunami of data-driven opportunities. Now before you start picturing Skynet taking over your E-Trade account, let's take a step back. The reality is a little less robot and a lot more Iron Man. These platforms are designed to be our Jarvis, our co-pilot, sifting through mountains of data in milliseconds that would take us weeks to even comprehend. They're built to spot trends, analyze sentiment, and execute trades with a level of speed and precision that, let's be honest, most of us can only dream of after our third cup of coffee. The question isn't whether AI is coming for trading, it's already here. The real question is, how can you leverage it to your advantage without getting left behind? So in today's video, we're going to do a deep dive into the top 10 AI stock trading platforms that are making a serious impact. We're going to break down what each one does, who it's for, and why it might just be the tool you need to level up your trading strategy. We'll cut through the marketing jargon and get straight to the point, with of course a little bit of fun along the way. Because if you can't have a laugh while making money, what's the point? So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get into it. And as always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel more than you think. Kicking things off at number 1, we have trade ideas. Now this is one of the heavy hitters in the space, and for good reason. It's been around for a while, and it's built a reputation for its incredibly robust real-time market scanning. Think of it as having 1,000 eagle-eyed analysts watching every single stock, every single tick, and instantly flagging opportunities based on your specific criteria. It's not just about finding what's moving, it's about finding what's moving right now and telling you why. It's the kind of speed and data processing that gives you a genuine edge. The real star of the show here though is their proprietary AI, which they've affectionately named Holly. There's actually 3 versions now, Holly Grail, Holly 2.0, and Holly Neo. Each one runs millions of simulated trades overnight, backtesting over 70 different strategies to find which ones have the highest probability of success for the next trading day. It then presents you with a curated list of high-potential trade signals right at the market open. It's like having a seasoned pro whispering the best setups in your ear, backed by an insane amount of data. And here's the thing about Holly. It's not just a recommendation engine, it can be fully automated. You can literally let the AI trade on your behalf through its Brokerage Plus module. It's an interesting concept for those who want to take the emotion completely out of the equation. Let's be real, Holly is probably the only Holly you actually want calling you with urgent news in the middle of the night, or more accurately, right at the 9:30 a.m. bell. It's a powerful tool, especially for active day traders who need to make split-second decisions. Coming in at number 2 is TrendSpider. If you're a technical analyst at heart, this one is going to make you feel like a kid in a candy store. TrendSpider's whole mission is to automate the tedious parts of technical analysis. You know, the endless hours spent drawing trend lines, identifying support and resistance levels, and trying to spot candlestick patterns across multiple time frames. It's painstaking work, and it's easy to miss something, or let's be honest, get it slightly wrong. TrendSpider does all of that for you, automatically, in seconds. What really sets it apart is its multi-time frame analysis. With a single click, you can see how trend lines or indicators from a daily chart line up with those on a weekly, monthly, or even an hourly chart. This gives you a much deeper, more layered understanding of an asset's price action. It's like having X-ray vision for your charts. The platform is also incredible at automatically detecting classic chart patterns like head and shoulders, flags and wedges, saving you from the eye strain of trying to find them yourself. It even has a scanner that can search the entire market for stocks exhibiting your preferred technical setups. Let's be honest, most of us have a strict no spiders allowed policy in our homes and especially in our offices. But TrendSpider is the one exception. This is the only spider you actually want in your trading room, spinning a web of automated trend lines and chart patterns that can help you catch opportunities you might have otherwise missed. It's a massive time saver for serious chartists, and helps bring a level of objectivity to what can sometimes be a very subjective process. It's less about predicting the future and more about systematically identifying the present. Next up at number 3 we have Tickeron. This platform takes a slightly different approach by focusing heavily on AI-driven pattern recognition and creating what it calls AI robots. These aren't physical robots, of course, but rather specialized algorithms that are constantly scanning the market for specific proven patterns. Whether it's a bullish engulfing pattern or a complex harmonic pattern, Tickeron's AI is designed to spot them across thousands of stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, and alert you in real time. It's a pattern-matching powerhouse. One of the most interesting features is the level of customization it offers. You can sort through these AI-generated trade ideas based on your personal risk tolerance and trading style. For example, you can filter for patterns that have historically shown a high confidence level or a certain percentage of success. This allows you to tailor the AI's output to your own strategy, rather than just taking generic signals. It also has a feature that predicts the odds of a trade's success, giving you a statistical probability to work with before you even think about putting your money on the line. The speed at which it operates is honestly pretty remarkable. By the time you've made your morning coffee and are just starting to get your brain in gear, Tickeron has already scanned the pre-market, identified dozens of potential setups, and calculated their success probabilities. It spots patterns faster than your morning coffee kicks in, which is saying something. It's an excellent tool for traders who rely on technical patterns, but want to supercharge their scanning process and add a layer of AI-powered statistical analysis to their decision-making. Alright, for number 4, we're shifting gears a bit and heading into the deep end of the pool with Quant Connect. This platform is not for the faint of heart or the casual click-and-trade investor. This is the domain of the quants, the developers, and the serious algorithm builders. It's an open-source, cloud-based algorithmic trading platform that gives you the power to design, backtest, and deploy your own custom trading strategies using programming languages like Python or C#. It's incredibly powerful and flexible. Quant Connect provides a massive amount of historical data. We're talking years of tick-level data, fundamentals, alternative data, you name it, for you to build and test your strategies against. You can simulate how your algorithm would have performed under different market conditions with a very high degree of accuracy. The platform handles all the heavy lifting on the back end, the data infrastructure, the execution engine, so you can focus purely on the logic of your strategy. It's a sandbox where you can build and break things without risking a single real dollar until you're confident. Think of Quant Connect as the ultimate playground for the math wizards and code ninjas of the trading world. If your idea of a good time is tweaking alpha models and optimizing Sharpe ratios, then this is your paradise. It has a massive community of quants who share code, strategies, and insights, making it a collaborative environment as well. It's not a plug-and-play solution. It requires a serious commitment to learning and development. But for those who want to build their own unique trading bot from the ground up, there's really nothing else like it. At the halfway point, number 5, we have Stock Hero. This platform strikes a really nice balance between power and accessibility, making it a great option for both beginners who are just dipping their toes into automated trading and seasoned pros who want a reliable bot platform. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and you don't need to know a single line of code to get started. You can literally set up a trading bot in minutes using their straightforward web-based interface. It's designed to lower the barrier to entry for algorithmic trading. Stock Hero comes with a marketplace of pre-built bots that have been configured by other traders. You can see their performance history and subscribe to a bot that fits your risk appetite and goals. This is fantastic for beginners who want to learn by observing what works. But if you're more of a hands-on type, you can easily configure your own bot from scratch, setting your own entry and exit conditions based on a variety of popular technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. It also offers paper trading, so you can test your bot with fake money on the live market before you go all in. The name says it all, really. Using Stock Hero can make you feel like a trading superhero, effortlessly managing multiple strategies across different exchanges without being glued to your screen 24/7. It gives you the power of automation without the steep learning curve of a platform like Quant Connect. Just remember, the cape is not included, you'll have to supply that yourself. But for traders who want to automate their strategies without getting a degree in computer science, Stock Hero is a fantastic and heroic choice. Cruising into number 6, we have AI signals. The name is pretty self-explanatory and the platform delivers exactly what it promises. AI-generated trading signals. This service is all about simplicity and clarity. It's designed for traders who don't want to get bogged down in the complexities of building their own algorithms or spending hours analyzing charts. Instead, they want clear, actionable, buy and sell recommendations delivered directly to them in real time. It's a done-for-you approach to leveraging AI in the market. The platform uses a combination of machine learning, sentiment analysis, and technical indicators to generate its signals. It's constantly scanning the news, social media, and price action to identify potential trading opportunities with a high probability of success. When the AI system flags a setup, it sends out an alert with all the key information: the entry price, the target price, and the stop-loss level. This gives you a complete trade plan that you can choose to act on. It covers stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies, so it's quite versatile. Let's be real for a moment. In life and in trading, we're constantly bombarded with signals. Some are good, some are bad, and some are just confusing. It's nice to finally have a service that provides signals you can actually trust, unlike, say, the mixed signals you got from your ex. AI Signals aims to cut through the noise and deliver straightforward, data-backed intelligence. It's a great tool for traders who want to supplement their own analysis with a second AI-powered opinion, or for those who simply want a more hands-off approach to finding trades. At number 7, we find A-Invest and its AI assistant Amy. This platform is all about personalization. It understands that every trader is different, with unique goals, risk tolerance, and interests. A-Invest uses its AI to create a customized experience for each user. When you sign up, it asks you about your trading style and what you're looking to achieve. From there, its AI, Amy, gets to work, curating personalized news, analysis, and trading signals that are relevant specifically to you and your portfolio. Amy doesn't just provide one-off signals, it helps with overall portfolio management. It can monitor your existing holdings, alert you to significant news or price movements related to your stocks, and even suggest diversification strategies. The platform also has a really robust stock screener that uses over 400 financial metrics and AI-driven insights to help you discover new investment opportunities that align with your profile. It's like having a dedicated research assistant who knows you inside and out. What's great about Amy is that it's the only personal assistant who will work for you 24/7 and won't ever ask for a coffee break, complain about the workload, or try to steal your stapler. It's constantly learning from your interactions with the platform to refine its recommendations and become even more helpful over time. For investors who want a more tailored, guided experience that goes beyond simple signals and helps them manage their entire investment journey, A-Invest is a very compelling option. Sliding into the number 8 spot is Kahoot with its K-score. This is a platform that puts a heavy emphasis on predictive analytics and quantitative analysis. The core of their technology is the K-score, a predictive rating for stocks that ranges from 1 to 9. A higher score suggests that a stock is more likely to outperform the market in the coming month, while a low score suggests it might underperform. This score is derived from a complex AI model that analyzes a massive amount of data, including fundamentals, technicals, and alternative data like satellite imagery and sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis component is particularly powerful. Kahoot's AI scans millions of news articles, social media posts, and analyst reports to gauge the overall mood surrounding a stock. Is the sentiment positive, negative, or neutral? Is it improving or deteriorating? This provides a layer of insight that you can't get from just looking at a price chart or a balance sheet. It helps you understand the story and the emotion driving a stock's performance, which can often be a leading indicator of future price movements. Essentially, Kahoot's AI is designed to read the market's mood swings better than your therapist reads yours. It quantifies the often irrational sentiment that drives short-term market behavior and combines it with hard financial data to generate a simple, actionable score. It's a fantastic tool for investors who want to incorporate a quantitative, evidence-based approach into their stock selection process. Instead of guessing which stocks will do well, the K-score gives you a data-driven starting point for your research. For our 9th pick, we have Alpaca. Now, Alpaca is a little different from the others on this list because it's an API-first platform. This means it's primarily a brokerage that is built from the ground up to connect with trading algorithms and external platforms. It's the plumbing that allows many of the automated trading systems to actually place trades in the live market. And the best part? It offers commission-free stock and ETF trading. That's a huge deal for algorithmic traders whose strategies might involve a high volume of trades. Alpaca's API is modern, well-documented, and incredibly easy for developers to work with. This has made it the go-to choice for a huge community of algo traders, startups, and even some of the other platforms we've mentioned. It integrates seamlessly with services like TrendSpider and QuantConnect, allowing you to build your strategy on one platform and execute it through Alpaca's commission-free brokerage. They also have a growing marketplace of apps and tools that can plug directly into your Alpaca account. In the world of finance, where it often feels like you're getting hit with fees from every direction, Alpaca is a breath of fresh air. It's pretty much the only alpaca in the financial industry that doesn't try to fleece you. By providing a free, reliable, and developer-friendly way to execute trades, it has democratized access to algorithmic trading for thousands of people. If you're building your own bot or using a platform that can connect to an external brokerage, Alpaca should absolutely be on your radar. And finally, rounding out our list at number 10 is a true classic that has embraced the AI revolution, MetaTrader 5 or MT5. For anyone who has been in the Forex or CFD trading world for any length of time, MetaTrader is a household name. It's one of the most popular trading platforms on the planet, known for its powerful charting tools, reliability, and the massive ecosystem built around it. It's the OG of retail trading platforms, and it's not getting left behind. The real power of MT5 in the context of AI comes from its huge marketplace and its programming language, MQL5. The marketplace is flooded with thousands of expert advisors, which are essentially AI-powered trading robots that you can buy or rent. You can find bots for virtually any strategy imaginable, from simple moving average crossovers to complex neural network-based systems. The community is massive, and you can backtest any of these robots extensively before deploying them. If you have the coding skills, you can also use MQL5 to build your very own custom AI. MetaTrader 5 is like that classic reliable car that you've had forever, but you keep upgrading it with the latest tech. It's the OG that just keeps getting smarter. It successfully bridges the gap between a traditional, robust trading terminal and the new world of AI and automated trading. For traders who are already comfortable in the MetaTrader ecosystem, integrating AI into their workflow is a natural and incredibly powerful next step. It offers a level of flexibility and choice that is hard to beat. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the top 10 AI stock trading platforms that are reshaping the way we interact with the markets. From fully automated AI like Holly, to developer playgrounds like QuantConnect, and user-friendly bot builders like StockHero, there is a tool out there for literally every type of trader. The key takeaway here isn't that you need to let a robot take over your financial future, but that these tools can provide an incredible edge. They can save you time, remove emotional bias, and uncover opportunities that are simply impossible for the human eye to see. It's about working smarter, not just harder. The world of finance is evolving, and AI is at the forefront of that evolution. Embracing these technologies doesn't mean you're giving up control. It means you're adding a powerful co-pilot to your trading desk. Whether you use it for signal generation, automated analysis, or full-on execution, the potential to enhance your strategy is immense. I hope this breakdown gave you a clearer picture of what's out there and maybe sparked some ideas for how you can integrate AI into your own trading. As always, thank you so much for watching and for spending some of your valuable time with me today. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. Which of these platforms do you trust the most, or which one have you had experience with? Or let's be honest, which one of my witty remarks gave you the best laugh? Drop a comment down below and let's start a conversation. And if you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more smart investing tips and breakdowns just like this one. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.